every scar, every mark. Try to drown it in the smoke, but it only feeds the curse. Poison running through my veins. Sometimes I feel like I'm possessed. I try to throw it all away, but they know me all too well. Born into a broken fate, like it's written in my veins. Every step I try to take pulls me closer to the grave. My whole life I fight with the demons inside. I don't scream, I don't cry when they're tearing me alive. I refuse to die. I refuse to die. Like a hunter in the night, chasing shadows I can't fight. Whips and crosses in my hands, still I barely make a stand. Cursed blood and twisted path, like I'm living someone's wrath. Screaming out against the plan, like I'm fighting fate again. Say I'm cursed, say I'm damned, say this fate was always planned. I don't care, I won't tell, I decide what's fucking real. Break me down, watch me rise. I deserve to fucking die. My whole life I fight with the demons